Today I want to talk about my all-time favorite t-shirt for men. It's the Uniqlo Supima cotton t-shirt. Now, I love this t-shirt and I'm gonna talk about all the advantages, but also a couple of things I don't really love about it. So stay tuned and I'll go through all of it. If this is your first time watching my channel, I'm Tor. I love to make this clothing, some cleaning, packing type of videos. So if you're into that, I have a bunch more you can check out. But for now, let's talk about this fantastic t-shirt made by Uniqlo. So I first discovered this t-shirt last year sometimes. I heard about it about probably 5-6 years ago online, after reading online and like getting really into fashion and stuff. And everybody was raving about this t-shirt from Uniqlo. But the problem was, in Norway they don't sell Uniqlo clothes. So I ended up picking up a couple of these in Thailand. And after I found this, I've been so in love with it. What I really like about this t-shirt is that it's so incredibly soft. It's made from this special type of cotton called Supima cotton. I read online that it's this American type of cotton, but I also noticed on the tag that it's actually made in Vietnam. So that's, I don't know how that works. Do they send it back and forth or what? I don't know. Anyway, what I like the most about it is, of course, it's really comfortable, but also it's surprisingly cheap for what you get. Now, I don't really buy super expensive t-shirts, well, if it's not, you know, merino wool, but that's for another video. But I'm really surprised. This only cost me about, since most of you watching are American, I guess 300 baht would be about $10 US, which is incredibly cheap for what you're getting from this t-shirt. Now, I really like the fit of it. It's quite snug in the arms as well as all down the body. Also, you can see the neckline is pretty high up. I guess that has advantages and disadvantages, but I think it's kind of a timeless look compared to a lot of the t-shirts you see people selling these days with like the oversized and the weird shapes. No, we're sticking to the classic here. This shirt is gonna look good in 5 years. It's gonna look good in 10 years. Yeah. Great fit, great fit. The only thing I don't really like about the fit is that as a man who is 6'2" or 188 to 89 centimeters, this t-shirt is kind of short. When I'm wearing it and walking around, it kind of goes almost all the way up to my hips. I would like it to be maybe 5 centimeters longer. So that's like the one thing I don't really like about this t-shirt, but there are so many other great things compared to a lot of the other t-shirts in the same price bracket. I think the ones from H&M, Nike, all these famous brands. We have some European ones, actually Scandinavian ones called Cubus and similar ones, and nothing matches the quality you get from the for what you're paying for these t-shirts. So I can highly recommend it for sure. As far as durability goes, I've pretty much beaten these t-shirts up pretty heavily over the last almost year. And I see no signs of damage on it so far. It seems to have kept its color reasonably well, and it's also pretty soft. Actually, it's really soft still. So overall, I think I want to strongly recommend this t-shirt. Is it the best that's out there? Maybe for the price. I'm gonna make another video where I compare this t-shirt to a couple of my other favorites, like merino wool t-shirts and perhaps maybe some synthetics and bamboo. We'll see. So to find out how it matches up to those ones, head on over to the next video. I'll link it here if I've already made it. So subscribe if you like this type of videos. Thanks for watching.